In this episode, you'll discover over 100 of interesting facts, so you definitely won't have to worry about falling asleep. Do our dreams have meaning? And can you learn to control your dreams? How can we make our bedroom ideal for quality sleep? How long can a person stay awake? Why are many people afraid to go to sleep? And the most importantly, how does sleep restore our bodies? Why do we need sleep? Many people think it to be brain to rest, but that's not true. The brain never truly rests, not ever when we sleep. If during the day it focuses on analyze the external world, at night it concentrates at the body's internal state. During slow wave sleep, the brain cells that process sensory signals during the day, which they received signal from internal organs such as instincts, locks, and others. If the brain detects any irregulations, it adjusts their functions. Studies on animals have shown that the visual cortex activity is responsible to stimulation of internal organs, even though the animal continues to sleep. This proves that slow-wave sleep serves a maintenance function for the organs. But slow-wave sleep does more than just that. During this phase, brain cells shrink in size, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow between them and wash away toxins, including those linked to Alzheimer's disease. During this phase, brain cells shrink in size, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow between them and wash away toxins, including those linked to Alzheimer's disease. During this time, the growth hormone is always activity produced 18% of daily amount. This is especially important for children who sleep more than adults. For instance, infants sleep up to 15 hours a day because without the growth hormone, their bodies wouldn't develop properly. In fact, even before birth, we spend about 98% of the time sleeping. And by the several months of gestation, the features begin alternative between slow and repeat slow phases, moving its ISIS and likely already dreaming. Growth hormone is important not just for children, but for adults as well. It stimulates protein synthesis, cell division, and tunes regenerations. That's why wouldn't mostly hurt at night when growth hormone levels are highest. These hormones also help slow down aging, prevents bediness, fatigue, and bone fragility. And yes, you even lost weight while sleeping. So for good health and appearance, it's important not just exercise and eat well, but also get enough sleep. If slow-wave sleep helps restore physical health, repeat air movements, REM, sleep plays a mental role. During REM sleep, the brain thought the information sieved through the day, separating what's important for what's insignificant. Every time you learn something new or engage in inflammatory activities, new connection between neurons from the brain. The more you repeat the actions, the stronger the connection became. Improve your thinking speed and skill accuracy. However, the brain cannot create an infinite number of connections, have a limited resource. During REM sleep, the brain conducts inventory of neuron connections. Those frequently used are reformed, while unnecessary ones are discarded. Thus, during slow-wave sleep, the body covers physical, while during REM system, the brain organizes knowledge, skills, and emotions. Clearing out excess emotions and stress is another key function REM sleep. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe if you want more videos that help you understand how to improve your sleep and overall health. Turn off notifications so you never miss out. Where do dreams come from? Until the early 21st century, it was believed that they only occurred during REM sleep. But now we know that's not true. Dreams can also occur during slow wave sleep, though they are usually dull and resemble fragments of recent events or old movie scenes. We rarely remember them. However, dreams during REM sleep are much more vivid, resembling a movie. When we move our eyes during REM sleep, it's like vivid dreams. At this moment, the brain is sorting thought memories, and those that are about the discards that often appear in dreams. Most common dreams reflect events and emotions from the previous day. Not all dreams have a clear plot, and sometimes we experience nightmares. The triad simulation theory suggests that the brain creates such dreams to prepare us for potential dangers in real life. It believed that even animals dream during REM sleep periods. For example, each year their barks during the fast. People who lose their sight after the age of 5 dream similar dreams, while those who are built from birth experience dreams in the form of sounds, smells, and tactile sensation. Few people in the planet never dream at all, and this is related to the rare condition called Charlotte-Wilbur's syndrome. Thanks to the patent of this syndrome, science discovered that the primary constructors of the dreams is located in the Ligron gyrus, a brain region responsible for recording emotions and visual images. The patent has stuck in this area, and her dreams gradually disappeared. Though if you don't have a brain damage, you definitely dream. Even if you don't remember REM sleep, and the level of noradrenaline, a substance that helps record memories, decreases. An interesting question is how long the person can survive without sleep. One young man, Randy Garden, went 11 days without sleep during an experiment. Thus, he stayed awake for a long time. He occasions fell into micro-sleeping state while the eyes are half closed, but the brain briefly shut down. This often happens to tired drivers and externally dangerous. After the experiment, Garden only needed 15 hours to sleep to covers. This short-term sleep deficit experience do not cause the irreversible harm. However, some people cannot sleep for 6 months. To those years, there are rare conditional familial insomnia. This genetic disorder occurs multiple generations within a family, and there are only about 40 such families known worldwide. The disease is caused by protein mutation in the brain that turns into a protein called prion. Because of this, the brain gradually degraded, losing the ability to control those processes, muscles, blood pressures, and hormone system. One symptom of this is sleep disruption, where the person becomes stuck the state between sleep and wakefulness. Eventually, this leads to the disease, not the lack of sleep itself, but from the brain destruction. So yes, the state between sleep and wakefulness can instead be fatal. Want to improve the quality of your sleep? Many facts are important. Habits, science, oxygen levels in the room, even something small as winds, elastic socks can play a role. They help maintain the same temperature for your feet and hips, which prolong sleeps and reducing waking up. Light during sleep is also extremely harmful, restricting thought currents and can lower melatonin productions. The solution is to use blackout curtains and minimize gadgets used before beds, switching to warm yellow screen tones. The air in room should be fresh, with temperature between 18 and 25 degrees Celsius and humidity around 55%. The humidifier can be useful, especially in winter when heating degree out the air. Comfortable medium firm mattress also help us sleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. I experimented with a white and blanket, creates a Huggies effect that improves sleep quality. Remember, sleep isn't a waste of time, an investment in your well-being. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. Sweet dreams. See you in the next video.